back to another video. You are watching your favorite channel where you get to see latest information for your gadgets. And today we are going to talk about a variant out here. Talking about this variant that is none other than HP ProBook 650 out here. A very interesting variant out there in the market, as well as this variant is quite amazing. Talking about ProBook, we can say that ProBook series was specially designed for the corporate world. Actually, we can say that it was basically designed for corporate world, but yes, home use ही करते हैं, we use for home usage also. But basically the main sector or the main component out here was designed for the corporate world. Having a security chip system of TPM 1.2 out here, yes, it uses TPM, that is Trusted Platform Modulus Security Chip 1.2 out here. Along with that, you get to see that this variant uses Intel Core processing system, which you can definitely customize. Intel Core processing system out here, which can be laterally customized out because it's up to fourth generation. You might use Intel Core i7, also Intel Core i5 for third generation, seventh generation. So there are different options available out in the market. Along with that, it offers you max turbo speed of 3.3 gigahertz, which is definitely good that max turbo speed of 3.3 gigahertz is being offered out here. Along with that, you get to see that it offers you a clock speed of 2.6 gigahertz. These two variants are really good with Windows operating system, 64-byte comparison, and dual core system. Yes, it offers you dual core system out there. Along with that, you also get to see that this variant out here offers you Intel Turbo Boost Speed 2. As Intel Turbo Boost technology 2 is being used out here, which is definitely an amazing version. Along with that, we can talk about the storage, because storage plays an important role. Talking about the storage, we can say that cache memory is really good, offering you 3 MB cache memory. Apart from that, it offers you 4 GB storage. Yes, 4 GB internal RAM storage out there. It has a configuration of one slot for 4 GB, along with the memory speed, we can say, or rated memory speed out there, which is approximately 1600 megahertz. 1600 megahertz is the speed out here offered by this 4 GB RAM of DDR3L. DDR3L is the RAM type offered out here. Along with that, you also get to see that it can have an expandable or the maximum support size of 16 GB. Because it offers you 2 slots. There are 2 slotations out there. One is empty slot, and it offers you DDR3L RAM type for 16 GB maximum support. Now, RAM and cache memory does not alone make a gadget memorable or good to use for the memory purpose. There are definitely another factors involving in that, that is the hard drive storage. Talking about the hard drive storage, we can say that it offers you HDD format memory, or the hard drive store in HDD format. Along with that, it offers you a spindle speed of 7200 RPM. Spindle speed of 7200 RPM could be seen out because HDD drive is there. But if we talk about the capacity, then we can say that it offers you 500 GB internal stored RAM. Yes, 500 GB. That's amazing version out there. Along with that, you can see that graphics is also an important part. Graphics plays an important part, an integral part of a laptop, because integrated webcam is there, multimedia has to be there. So it offers you Intel HD Graphics 4600 as a graphical processor. Graphics processor की बात करें तो Intel HD Graphics could be seen out there. Along with that, you get to see stereotype speakers and stereotype microphones with a capturing capacity of integrated webcam of 1280 into 720. Now we talked about multimedia, we talked about graphics. Let us talk about the digital platform in this, that is a display. Because where are we going to operate? What is the operational part? What is going to happen when we see the output? So display is an important part. Talking about the display, then let us talk about what kind of display it has and screen size. Talking about the screen size, it offers you 39.6 centimeter screen size. Along with that, it offers you LED backlight as well as full HD display with side viewing or standard viewing angle and anti-glance. You get to see this kind of a variant. Yes, you get to see an amazing version out there. Apart from that, it offers you TN technology and full HD display, which we already know. Resolution is important part out there. So anti-glance is there, standard view angle is there. You get to have LED backlight. You get to have LED display with full HD resolution. So it offers you a great display out there. Along with that, working in harsh environmental conditions also great output is provided. As well as there is a touch pad or the touch point out there, which is for the mouse control or the gesture control out there. Along with keyboard, which is placed out there in this laptop, the keys have been placed properly. All the functional keys, arrow keys, the voice control keys, everything has been there. Along with that, you get to have a good Wi-Fi connectivity, Bluetooth connectivity, and a digital or the optical drive connectivity out there, which is for a read and write type, which is removable drive out there. Along with that, you get to have USB connectors, USB 2, 3 connectors, audio input output jack. You get to have a power connector, optical drive connectors. So these kind of things could be seen out. Now, when we talk about this variant, let us talk about the battery also. Talking about battery, it provides you 10 to 11 hours run timing with a 6-cell lithium ion battery. Yes, lithium ion cells out there for 10 to 11 hours run timing is offered out here. So we can see that this variant is quite good out here. And let us talk about the pricing also. Talking about the pricing, let us visit out this website. That is just at click.com. Yes, you get to have this website that is just at click.com. This website helps you or provides you gadgets in your pocket friendly rate. So you get to have your gadgets in a pocket friendly rate. As well as this site offers you customizability option. You get to have customized gadget. You can customize your gadgets accordingly. So let us search about this gadget out here in this search bar, because this helps us to search our gadgets in a very limited format. So you can see that this is the result out here. HP Pro 650 G1 series, G2 series out there. There is a variability out there, so you get to see variables out there. So let us search any one icon and see what is it holding upon. So since we are looking for the results, then we get to see there is a small description at the top and a small description at the bottom, which you get to see in every result out there. Along with it, you also get to see that it is offering you a product type condition that is refurbished. So let us talk about this refurbished condition also, so that we know what are the refurbished products all about. Talking about the refurbished products, or we can say the refurbished brand out here, we can see that refurbished and brand new are quite same products. They are similar like products out here. We can say that. So when we say brand new, what does this mean? This means that this is something absolutely newly like or new product out here directly from the company. Whereas refurbished means creating something newly like that, a pre-owned gadget that has been brought up in the market, making it again something brand new. Like this is what refurbished means. So talking about refurbished and brand new, does they differ in design, functionalities, anything else? No, they do not differ in their designs. They do not differ in their functionalities. They have the same functionality, design, tests is out there, the capturing capacity, working, everything is same. But what differs out is the pathway which is involved in this. And when we talk about the pathway, then we can say that there is a pathway which includes base, mediator, and consumer. This is a common pathway. But for brand new, if we talk about brand new, then we can say that Base is the company which releases the gadget out. Yes, Base is the company which releases gadget out in the market. Whereas this marketplace, the mediator is the point bridge out here, which is included in company and the user out there. Talking about the company out there and the users, this marketplace is a vast space out here because there are a lot of chains involved in this marketplace. So overall, we see the marketplace. Now, when we talk about this marketplace, this helps the user to collect their gadgets out there. They get the gadgets, they have the gadgets out there. Now, the user has that gadget, that pre-owned gadget is brand new gadget out here. Now, this Pre-owned gadget, it wants to be resold. Now the gadget is going to be resold by us. We are the users out here. Now what happens, this user from brand new becomes the base for the refurbished product and wants to resell them. When we want to resell them, then it has to be checked that all the functionalities are being done properly or not. Because pre-owned gadgets are, we can say, once used product. Yes, they have been once used. Now they are brought up in the marketplace, vast place out here definitely. So marketplace. Now they have been tested and verified, brought up in the site, and now another user buys this product. Yes, now another user buys this product and is brought up in the market by first user to another user. Now, what does this differ? How does they differ? They differ in the testing sites. Yes, there is a difference in the testing site. Testing parameters are same, structure is same, everything is same. But difference lies out in the testing sites out there. Now talking about the testing site, how does the testing site differs? Talking about the testing sites, then we can say that brand new products are tested within the company as well as various other sites. There are various sites where company tests before bringing out into the marketplace. But what happens to the another users? What happens to another users out here? Pre-owned gadgets, or that is the refurbished products. They are tested, verified, and sold up on the same site which is responsible for testing it. If you have a site which where you are reselling it, they only have to test it, verify it, and resell that product. So this is what happens in the refurbished gadgets. Now, talking about refurbished gadgets and brand new gadgets, they are actually same in the structurality, functionalities, tests out here. So let us talk about the parameters which are involved in testing these gadgets, because parameters plays an important role in every gadget. Talking about these parameters, we can say that there are a list of parameters which are classified basically into external and internal parameters. There are two basic parameters are there: external parameters and internal parameters. Talking about the external parameters, we can say that external parameters are nothing else but the gadgets or the external factors which are involved there. And when we classify them, we can say that they are actually the parameters uh, which we see through our eyes. Like external parameters does not require any component, equipments, robots, software. These are not required because they can be easily seen through eyes. Like if we talk about the design, then we can directly see it. We can compare the design. If we check about the scratches, if we talk about the buttons, functional keys, touchpad, mouse controller, the arrows, volume button, even the ports. There are ports, whether the port are working or not. These kind of things could be seen. The display type, camera, resolution, each of the things which can be directly checked out through the, we can say, gadgets. So these are the things. Apart from that, if we talk about this variant, then we can say that refurbished products, external parameters are checked without any such softwares. Once it is classified, then it is moved on to the internal parameters. Talking about the internal parameters, we can say that internal parameters include nothing else but the internal functional keys, internal gadgets, internal softwares, internal elements, which are to be tested with robots, equipment, softwares. So they need some specialized things for their working. Now, once it is checked out, like you have to check the internal processor, graphical processor, video support system, cache memory, RAM, hard disk, the optical drive applicable, connectivity, Bluetooth, the internal display type, each and everything out there. So once they are verified, they are checked out, then we can say that they offer you a good range in the internal components. What would happen if there is any default? They have to be replaced, they have to be renewed with the original parts from the company, so they are in a good quality, they provide good service out there. Talking about this kind of variants, then we can say that they are classified and certified just like brand new. The way brand new is certified and is classified, that is absolutely ready to use in the market, same way happens in the refurbished product. Now talking about the refurbished products and brand new, there are few differences, or we can say benefits out for refurbished products. Talking about the benefits, number one is the pocket friendly rate. You get to have pocket friendly rate out here. You get to see the pocket friendly rates. Now, what are these pocket friendly rates? These are nothing else, but we know that brand new products are actually expensive gadgets. They are slightly expensive, whereas you have refurbished products in a pocketable rate. That is a pocket friendly rate out here. Apart from that, if you talk about these two parameters, if we talk about these two functionalities, then we can say that brand new and refurbished have a difference in their pricing. So you get to see that the pricing difference allows you to have a good range of savings. Yes, you get to have a great range of savings out there. Since you have a savings, what would happen to the warranty period? Because we know brand new products offers you 1 year warranty out there. And pre-owned gadgets usually don't offer you warranty period, but if you have a category called refurbished, then you get to have 6 months warranty along with 7-day exchange policy. These are the two additional benefits of having refurbished products, because you get to have 6 months warranty and 7-day exchange policy also. Talking about these products, talking about these variants, we can talk about the site again, the site we were visiting out. Let us visit that first. We were at justatclick.com. Yes, we were at justatclick.com. This site is nothing else but a online website which allows you to have your favorite gadgets in your pocket friendly rates. And the name itself suggests just at click. Just at a click, you can get your favorite gadgets out there. Apart from that, if you talk about this website, then this website allows you to have customizability option. Now, what is this customizability option? This is nothing else but a option or a variant out here which allows you to customize your gadget accordingly. Yes, you can customize your gadget accordingly. You can customize the RAM, processor, storage, whatever things can be customized or have been customized, or the option is available for the gadget by the company. You can customize those things. Apart from that, you get to have COD out there. Yes, you get to have COD, and as well as you get to have free shipping. You get to have free shipping, COD. Since it's an online website, so you get to have an hassle free shopping out there. You will not be like contacting it much in, so that you can have a social distancing out there. So there is a hassle free shopping out there. Along with that, money back guarantee and online support system is provided out here, and you can search your gadget in the search icon, which helps to search your favorite gadgets in a very limited format. So you can visit our website for best pricing. Along with that, if you would like to order, you have the number in the description box, or you can go on website and check out your favorite gadgets for the best pricing. Till then, take care. I'll see you in the next video.